Hello guys, just Lego 101 here doing vlog 17, so let's get started. Well, my mic just fell out, but anyway. So here we have a little really messy table here. I did find this figure in that box of Lego that I got last week. So yeah, I tried to modify it a bit, but it kind of failed. I found this helmet in the box, or in my minifigure parts tub, and it was all like silver, but it wasn't really painted too well. So I'm just gonna I'm just trying to like sand it off. So yeah, I'll see how that goes. I did find some more of these old as minifigures. Yeah, I actually just got back from basketball, and it's 4:43. I'm trying to. I found this actually dragon head random. I actually showed you this last vlog, but I found this in the bin, or in the bin of Lego that I got. And I'm gonna try to clean it with some chemicals. So I actually don't know how to get that off. So yeah. Oh, I think Jang Bricks has a video on that. But yeah, we'll have to see about that. I did put some blue tack on these supports, so if I shake it, it doesn't move as much, because this actually did fall just before. And then I did put, well, these were actually there, and one of them were here, and then the others were here, and I actually did put one on the side here. So we just got some decals and some custom stuff that I'm going to be doing. Something secret that I'm working on. I don't know why that's out actually. Wasn't supposed to tell you guys about that, but whatever, it's on the internet now. I hung Mario up right there, because he was up there where the my Just Lego 101 sign was, or is, but it's gotta be there. But it's there because I was just recording a video on it. So, or a mock video, which brings me to my my next point is that I'm going to be starting a new video series called Lego Mocks. This is actually inspired by the Brick Adjuster. So yeah, I did hang my 2015 Lego sign up, and my 2011 one was just there, but I had moved it and I put it in the book, which is in there. Let's just go in here. I did find, so it's a bit dark. I did find some old. Anyway, let's just go here for a little bit. So some old custom painted minifigure stuff that I actually did a while ago. So here we see some camo, and yeah, I reckon that is actually really bad, but I don't know, I might do some custom minifigures, like painting some minifigures that some kind of scratched up minifigures. So I've actually got a few of them like in there, and so yeah, my comic set. I actually did do a little background for the thumbnail of my video last time, so I reckon that actually looks really nice. So anyway, let's just put minifigure there. So yeah, that looks pretty neat. I reckon. Oh yeah, and I did destroy the background, my old background, because I don't know, I needed the pieces and I don't really need it. Just some spare parts. So when I get a set and all the spare parts, I put in here just for no reason. Oh yeah, I have been sorting out the Lego that I got about a week ago. So yeah, and I built this little trailer thing randomly. So what I'm doing is I'm just getting the Lego here and then breaking it up and then just putting him in here. So that's just all Lego in here, pure Lego. And then if I find some like non-Lego or plastic anything, I just put it in the bin. And if I find some Mega Box, I put it in that bin there. And then when this is full, I just get the plates, put the plates in there, bricks in there, and yeah, more bricks. And then if I get something that doesn't have a place, like this massive chair, just put it in there. Yeah, you guys get it, and I found a few of them helicopter bases. And then we just put the windows and stuff in there, which there's actually a ton of these types of windows that I don't have much of. So yeah. Oh, where's that? Oh no, that's just some figures that I got. Oh yeah, here we are. This is some of like the printed stuff that were in there. Alright, let's just put that there. So I'll just give you guys a quick brief view of this printed stuff. So I found a ton of these things. A few shell, this piece, this awesome piece, which is pretty cool. This eye piece, I think it's off the eraser set. Some money, I found a couple of them money. This car piece. This what's it called, little detail, I think it's from Underwater. And then this Lego brick, which I showed you last video. And I actually did make a custom squishy cup. And I did find these interesting parts. So I found these. Oh, they're hard to get apart. Here we are. So they have like Technic holes all around it, and you can put a Technic pin through there, one through there, through there. Pretty cool. I found a few of them, and I found this plate, which has a little line there and a hole there, and then yeah, that looks pretty strange. I don't know where that's from. If you guys know, comment down below. And I found this piece here, and you guys probably can't see it. Yeah. Whoa. So yeah, that piece. So yeah, I think that's of the diving thing there. So yeah, we're up to 10 minutes, so time to wrap it up. I did make this custom figure, well not custom, but I thought it looks pretty cool. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, please comment, rate and subscribe, and thanks for all the support. Bye.